We're at this renovation in Havelock North. We're doing a kitchen renovation, we're doing a lighting update, we're doing a wiring update, we're hanging TVs, and we're putting in an audio system. So let's get to it. So this house would have been built around 2010-ish, so 10 plus years old. So it was just on the turnover into LED lighting. So it's still got the old halogen type bulb downlights. So it's this kind of area house. It's quite a common thing for us to do. We're going to be replacing these out, but we're left with quite a big hole. So that's 130mm cutout. Standard downlights these days are about 90mm cutout. So what we've got in place is one of these. It's called an adapter plate. So that'll cover our 130 hole, and then our standard downlight fits inside the adapter plate. So this is a LED lighting driver, so it converts the 240 volt down to 12 and to power the LED downlight. So you're going to get heaps better light out of a modern downlight, and the light dispersal is going to be heaps better too, so it's less directional, less straight down to the ground, more outward into the room. Good. So we're just in the kitchen here, and we're just found in behind the oven. Come and have a look at this. This is evidence of rat activity. So this is in behind the oven. They've also come down the wall trying to find food below the oven there, and they've had a bit of a good tune of the cables here. So they've tuned the outer insulation and the inner and gone into the conductor there. So this could create a fire risk if they'd gone through a couple of the conductors there and they were touching. As it stands, it's okay, and there's been no trouble for 10-12 years, so yeah, it's interesting to see. Another thing we're doing in this house is we're putting in Wi-Fi access points. So where we're going to put this one is up in the ceiling of the hot water cylinder cupboard. So that means you don't get something ugly sitting in your hallway flashing a green light or whatever. So here we go. So we've run a data cable to here from the data hub in the hallway, and we're going to hardwire this AP now. This is a bit of a look into the pre-work that goes into hanging a TV. So what we're going to have here is, this is an outline of where the TV is going to go, and a fireplace below. So what we've set up as well is the TV sound is going to go through some in-ceiling speakers. So we've got some nothing right there. We've just got some dust caps over them at the moment because the ceiling's still to be painted. In the back corner we're going to have the subwoofer, and it's going to give us a bit of depth, so you can watch your movies full blast and have some good times. So we're about to attack the kitchen. So you can see the old one's been all ripped out, and it's a completely different design, so we have to reroute all the existing cables or replace them in the case of this rat tube one. And there's new ovens, new range hoods, new spots for microwaves, new spots for dishwasher, that kind of stuff. So we're about to take that now. So what we're doing here, this is the old fridge power point. I'm just going to move it up to that place there. So I'm just going to draw it through in the wall. So the customer wants a separate isolator for the fridge. So we're going to run a control wire for that from down in the pantry to up in the fridge power point. It's going to be hidden behind the fridge. There's a stud down there, and we need to get from this side to that side of the stud. So that's what I'm doing. here to there as well.
Yeah.
And then using this one, you can grab that in the wall here and then pull the rest of that up here. So what we're busy working on here is a hub for all the audio and TV and data gear. So amplifiers, skybox, all the data gear, it's all going to be hidden away here in a cupboard. So all the mess is all contained. So we've got speaker cable coming back here, all the TV distribution, a little bit of power there. All the TVs are hardwired back to here, so they're all going to be hardwired into the modem. And we've also got our access point which we installed, that comes back here too.
I'm getting an outline for what I'm going to have to cut out to fit the speaker in, and I'm trying to do it right for this one. I got the template drawn out, so now we're just going to cut it out with a jigsaw. So now we're stripping back the cable to reveal the 4 conductors that are inside. So we're going to connect the white and the green to the white will go to the red and the green will go to the black. And with these Sonos speakers, they've actually got an angle on them there, and that's to project as much volume as they can in that direction. So for this room, since it's in the corner, we're going to push it that way towards the bed. Off your uncle. That's all I think for that one now.